So you see that video? Many people wanna not get me wrong. Nobody should get me wrong. You see that video? Why I do? I not do want to say more no come. Who want come make it come? I just oh God, because they say person will wear shoe. And I know wear the shoe for the pepper and for leg. Now short advice, more advice. Now I just give for now. Because of what I don't see and what don't stay happen. Many of them on the right say you say maybe people not come Germany. What do they do for Germany? Super, good question. And God will bless all of you for our comments. Now when comment bad, God will bless you now. Now when comment good, God will bless you abundantly. Yes, truth, I did Germany. I get my story. You get your story. And secondly, my head and your head not be the same, sister. I know so many you not come. If now play that video well, although say my English sometimes normally people they complain say even for school, if I they talk, I do the rush, they talk, I get now be problem when they get. But no worry, today I go break everything down. No baby grammar, no fasting, no jumping. I make you understand today. So my people, Germany is a good country. Germany is a country when we say if you want to make life, if you maybe you don't use less for your another country, if you come Germany will repair you. Germany is a good country to go. Germany is a better country, better one. But sister, may I tell you something? That day, that video one I do, I mostly talk to women. Because me when they hear the talk show. Yes. Yes. Me when they talk so. I still be victim. But all is well, let me go straight to the point. Because nobody want to hear my story. But I will first tell them small inside. Who want to hear make you hear? Who don't want to hear make you relax. You see, when I come this journey, that was 2014 with my pregnancy. Why? And that time, now time when we say that they find people for Germany, make people come home, say that they find people. Even before I come this journey, I be no one come. People won't know me well at that time, no matter what I happen for. They go know as everything they happen. I don't want to judge anybody because this life nobody is perfect. Maybe now what thing I do, my character no good. Now I can say no one wants. Now I can say no wants the pikin because I want baby get given. Now I can say no wants me because I be penny. Because my baby papa na Igbo. So me and my oga, man when I'm born for we no day together again before I even come this journey. I don't already become single mother before I come this journey. Because that time person will be say if they work. Because I work that time for Italy, I pay task. I go school for Italy. When I say school, I don't mean the road work. I go school for Venice, Santa Lucia, for Ireland. Now, who know Italy? Who know that? Who know that place? My first hotel where I for work, na Molino Stucchi, Hilton, for Venice, 5-star. After I don't go school with the certificate for Italy, I get documents before I even come out. So as I come meet my baby father, everything can't change. If you like, sometimes you go still get money, you might take pay as rent. If you like, sometimes you go grip. So the life, you know, say, person who don't fail work before, you don't work, you don't save money, you can't collect the money, they collect. You know, they add money, they finish. And the problem can't be this German matter. My baby papa say, I go Germany. Could you believe my way be say, you believe, you tell me, say, if I reach Jamie, make I tell the same don't die. If I lie, make God punish me. Make I come Jamie, make I tell them, saying don't die, no day alive again. But all is well, I be no one go. Later I think continue to family matter. If family come the call for Nigeria, my family come the call. What I will do for me to stay Italy here with my pregnancy? No work one fit do apart from prostitute. And prostitute will be say I never done before. I don't put start now. Yeah, some of them will say I shut up, what you they talk. Now be say you don't pay your sister. All thanks to sister, we be say carry me come. Now woman will be say, still understand. You see, all those ones na story for another day. I spent 7 years for Italy before I come to Germany. As I come to Germany, I come with flight. Before I come, nobody tell me the story, how Germany be. Nobody tell me how the life they be here. I buy tickets, go airport, I come. As I come down for airport, I call taxi, I talk to taxi, I want to go camp, as I want to go. They direct me. And so I take go camp. As I go camp, they search me. As they search all my body, they see my passport. And everything, they collect them from my hand. Immediately, they let me know for computer, after I don't check system, put my name. As they check, they say you don't work, you don't work, you don't pay tax, you get documents. So what you can do here? What you do here? Immediately, they let me know, say, the woman tell me, say, no reason and say they will give you paper. If you like, stay here. When time reach, they will carry my name and go back. So I can say, okay, no problem, go there. So as I see how things they go, as I can see as things they go, and I say, I don't feel just stay like this, and I can't waste my time. Maybe later now they'll carry my name and go back to Italy or Nigeria. Which story I want to tell? Who I want to go meet there? I don't feel pack my load, go meet my family when they to Italy. Nobody say they don't go help me, they go help me. But now stupidity be that. Come carry my picking, me and my daughter. Come go there, the gas is pay. I can say, I can call lawyer. The woman why they stay one room for her house before I come out. She go, I can call her, say, mama, see what they happen, I want to come back. Because before I come out, I even sign for me, I know just don't want to be, don't want to join me, I leave that side. So the woman can't give me lawyer. No, but I can't call the lawyer, I can't explain, give her. The lawyer can say, time, if I want to come back now, this time now time, the rightful time for me to come back. So that they will give my daughter documents. I can say, okay. Also say friends now, I know as they be. Once they tell the girl when we there, Uganda girl, she will not be Nigeria. Still let her not see my plans, see what the plans is say. Never tell before I know. I can be post the place where they stay. And they carry my daughter. As I carry my daughter, this is not what they talk so. Even till now, German, they don't give me rejection one day say, come go us. We give you so time to leave our country. Nothing like that. So now so we do our I can fight before my baby can come back. Tell my baby come back. Waiting happen when I carry my baby, they say because they get information. Say I want run, I want carry my baby run for the country. I say okay, after they can remove me for that camp one day, go another camp. And so we can't deal the life not easy, suffer there every day, quarrel, fights, people there. What's I going to do? I don't feel just deal, relax. Before I come, my brothers and sisters. Sister, if you did Jamie, you don't see, say, you don't go work for you. Sister, arrange yourself well. And if you did Jamie, you don't get paper. No sit down one place, they wait, make government come tell you, say, see what you do before you go to one. They come for that one. So after certain do thing go happen, I don't feel just sit down one place. Come with the wait, say God go to one. The Bible says everywhere those who help themselves. I need to help myself before God will finish work. Now so I go to the family boat, even till now. Maybe many of you now they see me for many dating sites. Now so I tell register. God, what thing I want to do? God, what thing I want to do? So I tell register, say I will look for more. Many will produce me to do your year. But God want do one. As God want do one, God come break. My baby papa come. As I just see and tell him, say, see. He say no problem, what will happen? He go marry me. Wow. And I say, okay. Germany, oh God. Germany. So I will go say, okay, we'll go lawyer, come before we go do anything, because maybe I'm not okay or they sick, we can go do blood test, we can do everything we want to do. So after we don't do our, we can go meet lawyer, CCCC, can go rat house. My brothers, then say for us to marry, see, it would be difficult because, one, because of the corruption within Nigeria. I have to tell them how many workers in Nigeria. School where I go, many things. As the boy read the letter, he shake his head. He say, why? And I say, God, okay. And so we go to the time when I'm supposed to take get belly, I don't come get belly. We can't go meet doctor because before I take pill, before doctor can write medicine for me, I can't take. Before I can't get belly, come born. So I born now is signed as the father. They don't still give paper. When they give me paper here, I think they give me paper. No, I don't renew my paper now. Last year, like my last 2 years or so. Last 2 years, or yeah, or yeah. Now they give my paper. So before I get that paper, those people make life tire me. I beg them, when I give my documents, I want to go back to Italy. They refuse. They say, lie. If you did where Nigeria people did, Nigeria people will be say they know your secrets. They know what will be your problem. I bet you they will make life miserable for you. The way they make problem with you, the way they do many things. Now from there you see Nigeria when go come outside say, you know the shame. You were born bastard. You know the shame. You born for Igbo, you there at Duro house. How many person you don't see say born for Igbo when they at Duro house? Life no easy. Before God come do it. This word when me they talk soft so. If you don't pass this kind of stress, if you don't pass this kind of stress before, you're going to understand what they talk. Or if German don't really ever give you stress, you can understand what they talk. So God, for God so kind, they don't carry one as master come. As they carry the man come, the man from Berlin, read German man, the others Arabu, when they clip German. I can't explain, and the man see everything when they happen. I don't tire for it. I won't go back to Italy. The man say, are you stupid? Did you think they will allow you to go back when you have a German child, a citizen? I said, God, what am I going to do? He said, may I wait? Say, no problem. Make I wait, now small. I said, but I don't tire. You they see stress when they pass through for this house. The man can say, okay, go find a house for me. And so the man can say, go find a house for me. You know, say, if you get connection with German people, life could be easy for you. The man just called. 1 week, I don't already get the apartment, self-contained. As I park, go there, and this one they tell them so. They already put Dundu for my house vice. Now I know what they call Dundu. Dundu now, wait my check, but I'll see this. Dundu now house vice. When we say that they put red. The house vice they'll put red. If they walk before, they'll stop you for walk. Or maybe the do what you get depends on how you take get a hand. Depends how come. So we can't do so I reach the house. The next day I sleep one night. The next morning, the other master fake call me on so. Frau Blessing do more so forth. And lang trasam ge. Fast. Warum? Was habe ich gemacht? So no, it's okay. You have to go there with your father shaft and everything. I said, but this father shaft, I don't already bring him more than 3 times before. They say, la yo, this and this. Now I can't go. As I go, God. The man say, bitte, give me the Schlüssel. Was? Warum the Schlüssel? The man said, no, you need to bring the key because we never finish with you. Oh God, oh God. Wait till they talk small so. We not go, no. If not see me that time, if not see me, when I go check, if I not believe what it, when I go check, maybe video one I don't do before last year or so, now we'll see how I be. So, the man say, give me key. I can't cry. I can't call the person with me. Now I tell you, say, this Germany, my sister, my brother, no fuck up. Because if you want fuck up, they won't fuck you up, eh? Under 1 second, they don't do one. I don't give key. Now for years, say my property don't reach camp. The same place one for commute, my property don't go back there. I go police that day. Police say lie. So as I still go that day, they collect the key from my hand. I still ask them, so I want to go back. May they give me my documents. They say no. One man can't give me one yellow paper. As he give me, he just until they rub my body like this. For land trust, not beside your office, I even did now say maybe I go seduce some other workers, people surround here. They like they pet me, say no, take this paper on Monday because that is on Friday. Shout, beat them up the 2 shoes. Thank you. So they rub my body, they pet me, say, on Monday go give characters, you come back here. And I say no, lie. I don't go come. I don't go see anything will go make me come. I don't go come. I dey cry. The man come pet me. And another thing I want to tell now. No, go and finish your food. Another thing I want to tell now, my sisters. No matter what, even though you dey vex, you dey cry, they give you paper. That paper no tear am. No use vaccination tear am. No try am. No see any reason. No see any reason. Say you tear that paper. No try. So as they give me that paper, they don't talk, they don't come out. So I come. Then you have to wait a little bit, not now. Okay? First, let me finish with what I'm doing, then I'll come. Okay? Good. I'm busy now. Yeah, okay, 12 should go. So, so, just so, not computer, so I go police. So after they don't give me the paper, I don't see person where with the guy that they stay house. You see, sometimes they say if something where they keep person they come, something where they save person go see they come. As we sit down there, we just talk because the man did there, he and my wife did there. When beside they say me, they give me my paper. That the man come call me say, no collect your paper. If you collect they go mark them. If you go Italy, they no go still give you a paper again. I reason that matter. As we just talk that thing, we never talk and finish. One woman come outside for their office. As she come outside, she just waka go back. The next thing I see another man come. The man come, he say, Frau Blessing, du hast gesagt, du willst deine Ausweis, du willst zurück nach Italien. Now I said, no, I don't want again. I don't want to go back to Italy again. I don't want the paper. Sorry, the video cut. Because of what that person don't tell me before. The man can say, okay, come go. The next thing as we come to go with this box, I dey cry, just the talk with my children. The man see the paper when they give me the yellow paper. The man call you, I say, honey, this one not be paper when they give you after they don't give you documents. I say, the wife say, you don't get paper now, why you come dey lie? I say, babe, see now, do day, all of now say do why they carry. But after they give me that do, I go meet them, ask them why they give me the do. Now they feel me so, and this one who they talk so, I don't carry lawyer one thing. Even people tell me say, man, I go carry lawyer. The time when I become say I want carry lawyer. Now when they pack my things come back, Because I need to fight for my rights. Now, white man I born for. Okay. So, no, so we not come do, and that period, my guy can get some problem. I dey come. So we not come do. As I reach out, I go meet people. People begin, some people even dey vex for me, say they lie. Say they don't give me paper since. I not greeted them. I know what. I say, why I go come they lie? All of them I not say I read the pull for my husband. I know even they talk for the house. If I talk, they'll say, shut up. You when they don't give dudu. You when they don't give rejection. And they never give me rejection one thing. When they give me that dudu, I ask them. They say because I don't feel the Italy before. They can't explain, say they get different type of dudu. Not be everybody when they give dudu. When they put that in, now they deport. If they don't give you rejection, they give you that dudu. Sister, now 50-50. Sometimes you go, sometimes you don't go. Because I know person when they don't put dudu for your husband. Now, children don't get paper. They finish up, children don't get paper. So that yellow paper now, what they give me now I call the story short. And so document it come. When we say today, I'm glad. Very soon now, I'll be the citizen. I'll be citizen of Germany. I do that video, no me say sister. If you like, pick something. If you like, no pick. I'm not gonna say one and no come. But before you come, sister, that man when you give you that belly, it just, if you want to come, say maybe you don't know what you want to do. Like when I say you don't know what you want to do, I know if they will put maths. People when you understand, they go understand. Like baby, don't come. You know how I speak fast. You know something like that. You know how you don't already plan for grind. Don't save the money if you reach this. I say the thing will go. If you don't like that, my sister, Jamie go sweet for you. Only if you go feel obey their law. Jamie, no they take nonsense. If you feel learn their language, do your hospital, go school, anything. Jamie na country will be say. If you get that paper, you want go school, you want study anything of your choice, they will sponsor you, you go do one. But Jamie will be say they know they take nonsense. Like Italy. Now they finish so. So my people, I don't say more no come. But before na come, when I know what you want to do. And the worst part of it, last year, 2019, and this year, na hot year for Germany. So before you come, unless if you want come, you want cross your heart, say anything can happen. Or maybe if you come, you see say they don't give you that rejection, you go quick go back. Or go find where you want to stay, go hide. Because I believe nobody will come stay for country for maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. They can't carry the person, go back. You know, go like her. After you don't lose everything, person people kill self. I know many people will be say they don't come this journey. They don't feel stay. Because of the heat, they use their 2 legs, buy ticket, go back to where they for come. Because Germany not be country like Italy easy. If you do anything where you want break person head, you break both person head. You want do anything, you do one. Germany not be like that. So my brothers and sisters, I beg. Some of now will be say, una still did the Germany. I want beg una. No be that lazy youth. No wait, make government come they push you, say brother, go school before you go. Sister, go school before you go. Although sometimes some people will still they work, they'll still go carry them for where they work, they will deport them. Some people will still do the hospital finish for 3 years, they will still go carry them, they will deport them. Now see, life is just about 50-50. And God, they stand for person. God, when he stand for me, go still stand for una. When we say, una want come. Maybe God stand for me because God know. I know by one day, like say, I want to come Germany, come shop at Duro. I visit Germany, I think that was 2011 or 2011. I visit Germany here. I visit my girlfriend for Cologne. Even as I come, it can't be. Person we don't dare alone for 7 years, you dey okay, you dey travel. I get people when I think they travel everywhere. Then, suddenly you can't go seek asylum again. So, my brothers and sisters, before you decide, before you make any movement, say you want to come Germany, Now make me say, may you know what you want first. If you want come cross your mind, say anything when you happen, you go take them. Sister, you are welcome. But say you want come, say maybe person they deceive you. People they deceive you, say, now so that they pay 1 million, now so that they pay children this, now so that they pay this. Sister, that person they lie. Only when you feel save money for Germany, now maybe if they camp. Because you know they pay house rent. Although the house rent now government say they pay you, but they'll withdraw and calculate and come up for your money when they pay you monthly. And Germany here, what people don't know. If you work, it better pass you sit down. They wait me, they give you document. I know they boast. I don't work for this country. Still pay tax. They stop me. They stop me now. They just the answer stop me. Say I prefer work more than my children. Or I want me to take my children so that I go face money, I go pursue money. Now I just stop that work that time. And woman will be say I still live one for. I leave everything for God. I leave my children for. I leave everything for God for that one. So my brothers and sisters, if you want to come Germany, you want to receive well. You don't allow anybody deceive you now. Say now so Germany good, now so you bad. Receive well. Plan well. Before you go come, know how you take prepare. Not just close your eyes for Italy, come Germany. Not just close your eyes for France, come Germany. Say everything. Say you want to come Germany, come relax. Wait, if they don't decide first, then now you can know. Many people, not some of them, they're not even the sleepers. Many people even they Germany here, they're here for many years. They don't even get paper. They borrow paper till they work, but they live okay. If now what you want to do, you don't plan everything for grant, you are welcome. Because Germany here, work when you do for Italy 1,000 euro. This Germany here, if you do and they will pay you 1,500, 2,000. After tax, you will get 1,000, 2,000 for your hand. You see them? So Germany is a good country, but Germany is a strong country. And my brothers and sisters, now we be so na sit there here. Una get paper. Una no want work. Una no want go school, sister. The time we be say they will take answer una, they will take girl on time. Una no cry come for Facebook on the shout. Say na so they collect una paper. And so Germany no good because we no want hear. If una no want work, una go school. Like me now, they stop me. When I go to renew my paper, they ask for big answer, I don't get. But I speak the language well. I need to go back to school. If not, now maybe for those to start work again and they work. Now when we say my children don't they go school. Before my children don't they go school. When they work, when they stop me. As my children don't they go school now, I feel work. I even they look for mini job when I go to they join my school now. So that I'll see they get more money. So if you be that type, say you get documents, sister, you don't want work, or brother, you don't want work, you don't want go school. Now your time you they waste. You see, when I come here, they even tell me, that year when I take work for Italy, when I work for Italy, if I don't work here now, I go for pension. I go to receive my pension money, including that Italian, I go to receive all of them together. So sister, no reason say they do person, brother, no reason say na person they do, you know they do anybody. If you not come Germany, wanna learn the language. If na walk, na one walk, wanna know they fight, they shout, and another the worst part of it. What thing I don't notice is those people don't like. Maybe you they go office, go they complain about person, about your friend. Come they say, now so you do this, now so they hate them. They hate them well. I know many of them for camp. As they take go talk, today all of them they throw away the people where they not supposed. They throw away them. So if you not like, no not pick. If you not like, no not pick. If you did Germany, you really say you want come Germany. Germany not be country of this one are my best friend. This one are my this. Who they do things together. No. If you want to make it in Deutschland, do your own. Not follow person they do competition of marker or anything. No, live alone. Just perform well. Go do well. Do well. Calm yourself down. Relax. Not raise your shoulder. Not raise your shoulder. You dey feel me? So my people, anybody when want come to Germany, you are welcome to Deutschland. Anybody when say want come, you feel come. This Deutschland door is open for everybody. It's open for everybody. Who want come, may they come. I know say anybody not come. But we don't want hear, say person come carry phone, they cry for social media. Say na so German say me they go. They don't go good. They don't do this one. And I still get one video where I see where one boy do. That guy, bros, I'll soon reply you, but it's not be now. I dey beg una, my brothers and sisters. If you know so you want come join me, know already what you want come do. Look for people who go tell you how you take waka. Because sometimes the person don't know person not good. Because if you say I know person that and I want you come, that paper now what they take from me, they for not take them. Because if I prefer go give person, the person will now understand. They for not take them from me. So I believe God will do my own, will still do everybody. But when I don't say I know one now, who want come, make them come. I don't say many but not come. Germany a good country, strong country. Germany a country where be say if you piss for road, they cash you go pay. If you tell person fuck you go pay. If you slap person, you go pay. If your music too loud, you go pay. Germany a wonderful country where be say only people when want calm down for Jesus go feast them. If you still be Agbero, if you still be that sister when be say road walk never come up for your eye, Germany no good for you. Why I like Germany here? Even though say you say now you want to, you want to sell your team, no problem. No problem. They will still register you. They will register you. You go the pay task. You they do the work. Now be Germany. So now when one come to Germany, welcome to Germany. May God continue to bless you all. And another thing I want to let you know, my brothers and sisters. Not be by boom, they say they give documents. Even though you born 5 children, they want deport, they will deport you. Even though you born 100 children, they want deport, they will deport you. Mona yera. Mona get some. If you did Jimmy, fight for your right. Fight fast. Work hard. How you take get your paper. Not the reason how you take they collect money for women hard. Or sister, not the reason how you take they sleep with different men. Fight how you take get paper first. After you don't get that paper, you know say German paper is very good. German document and better document will be say. I don't even know whether their document strong pass for Europe. If you fit get that document, na good thing. Although good documents they get your status, like my document now is different, total different. Cause hey, my boy get passport. So my people, I'm so happy. Now, so it be, when I not forget, now maybe this Mama A and D. You can also call me the golden voice, okay? So now when just they say this, I don't reply now. This one is part of my story. I don't even tell now everything, because if I tell now, many of them will begin to cry there, they pity me. But I thank God for my life today, things don't change. I did okay. Everything's okay now. So if no one come join me, when I come, somehow, someday, it will still be like that. Suffer when I suffer for Jamie. I don't suffer for Italy when I come Italy. I don't suffer. I don't suffer. So maybe now make me the reason I say it's not too much good for you if you don't get any plan here. But as I reason now, when I not reason about, when I take her, as I see her, now maybe this Mama here until I get. I love you all, When I stay well.